Hello students, in this video we will see how you can use Bloomberg Terminal for the module of understanding financial statements. Once you log into the Bloomberg Terminal, you can see a type of message screen here. You can see so many windows are open. Just do not pay attention to them, and if you close this one that says Launchpad, it's gonna get rid of every unnecessary screen, and you can close any other screens other than this. We will be using only this one for data extraction and other essential tasks. So the way the terminal works is you load a company or a security here, and you will choose specific commands that gives you the information about the loaded security. So the loaded security will be shown here, and the loaded function or command will be visible here. So once you type the name of the company, for example, Apple, it gives you suggestions, functions, and securities. Under securities, you need to choose your company. The template for the ticker names is the ticker name and the country and equity. For example, here, AAPL US equity. So that's the correct ticker for Apple. So I'm gonna click this one, and I can see that it is loaded, and the terminal gives me the suggestions for the functions I can use for the loaded security. For the initial task, you can go to DES, which is security description. Here you can see the general information about the company, and if you click this section of the screen, you can read extended company description. So what it does, it's geographic reach, sales and marketing, financial performance, and etc. You can read this and generate points for the initial task of your coursework. For the financial analysis, I'm going to type FA, that is short for financial analysis, and any financial metric that you can think of about any public company will be found here. Alright, I can go to income statement, and I can choose different formats of the income statement. BBG, which is Bloomberg Adjusted, is good, so I can view this. I can change the period. If I need only 5 years, I can type 5 and hit enter, and it loads only 5 years. I can see that there is estimates made by Bloomberg analysts, or that are based on the company's documents. I can go to balance sheet if I want, and go to cash flow, and it provides different ratios about the company across the period that I've set. And if I want, I can build a custom template. We'll come back here just in a second. And to extract these financial statements to Excel, I'm going to go to Export, Excel, and Custom Report. If you click Current Template, it will just export the current screen. I'm going to go to Custom Report and select what I want inside the report. So these are available reports, and these are the ones that you select and will be exported to Excel. So I've already chosen cash flow as reported, income statement, GAAP, and balance sheet standardized. What I want to add is the ratios. For example, if you need the liquidity ratios, you may want DuPont analysis and any other ratio that you can think of. I'm going to select and click add. As you can see, now I have 6 figures here, and I can change the period to 10 years and set the currency. If it's FRC, it means a fundamental reporting that is specific to the company that you've chosen, which is USD for me. Hit enter and click generate. All you have to do is wait a little, and an Excel window opens. Let me bring to the screen. So you will have several sheets that you have selected, exported to Excel. Liquidity ratios, working capital ratios, and DuPont analysis, and etc. So an important point here is that these are formulas. These are BQL formulas automatically generated by Bloomberg, and these are now retrieving the data directly and online from the Bloomberg databases, which means that you cannot open this file on your personal devices. To be able to use this on your personal computer, you want to select all, copy, and here paste as values. So now, as you can see, everything is just numbers. Do not forget to do it for each sheet so that you can use it on your personal computer. And if you want any other figure that is not in the custom templates, you can fill a custom template here. For example, you can type, let's say, PE ratio, gives you the suggestions. Click PE ratio, it adds the ratio here, and again you can set the period to 10 years. It will automatically update. To find what type of fields that you can access, you can open a new window and type FLDS, which is field finder. Hit enter, and the security is loaded here, and let's say you need leverage. So there are several fields that includes leverage in their name. Let's say you need financial leverage, you can click on that and see its description. Measures the average assets to average equity in the actual unit, calculated as average total assets divided by average total common equity. If you need this, you can go back and copy RR140 and come back here and type here, and you can find the financial leverage. Click on that and it will be added, and you will want to save it to be able to export it. Now if you go to export and Excel and click current template, it will be exported to Excel as this, everything that you've selected. Again, these are formulas, you need to copy and paste as values. Now for the ESG part, let's open a new window and type ESG, that is short for ESG analysis. Again, any ESG metric that you can think of can be found here. So for your analysis, go to ESG scores. It provides a breakdown of the score and the score's content. So let's say you're interested in a social section of the ESG, and you can see that there are 5 metrics against which the company is assessed, and you can see the score here, and you can see the peer rank. And let's say you're interested in community rights and relations, you can see exactly which measure is used for scoring, and here you can see the input data. If you click on that, it points to a company document that includes this measure, and you can click on the name of the document and see where the company has disclosed this metric. Go back and see other metrics that you are interested in, and you can always go to the company document and add points for your analysis. Now, for comparing with its competitors, you can go to RV, which is short for relative valuation. Hit enter, and it automatically loads 10 to 15 closest competitors of the company that you've chosen. As you can see, for Apple, we have Xiaomi, we have Samsung, and we have HTC. So from here, you can find the closest competitors and access their financial statements and access their ESG metrics if you want. For example, if I'm interested in this, Xiaomi. I'm going to right click and go to, let's say, DES, company description, and do my analysis here again. By typing FA, I can go to financial analysis to access the financial statements and repeat the procedure.